Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a cartoon pizza. We'll begin by sketching the fundamental shape. First, draw a large, slightly irregular circle to represent the pizza dough. Then, add a smaller, concentric circle inside it to define the crust's edge. These initial lines should be drawn lightly, perhaps with a 2H pencil, as they are just guides for our delicious creation. This simple start sets the foundation for our cheesy masterpiece. Next, let's bring our pizza to life with some delicious toppings and texture. Draw wavy, flowing lines to represent the gooey, melted cheese, making sure it reaches right up to the crust. Then, add your favorite toppings, perhaps a few circular pepperonis, some mushroom slices, or even bell pepper strips. Don't forget to add small, irregular dots and dashes to give the crust a baked texture, and the toppings a more realistic, cartoonish feel. This step adds so much character. Now it's time to refine our drawing with clean, crisp lines. Carefully go over all your pencil sketches using a darker pen or a fine-tip marker. You can vary the thickness of your lines slightly. For example, make the outer crust line a bit bolder to give it more presence. Once your ink is completely dry, gently erase all the initial pencil guidelines. This step makes your cartoon pizza pop and gives it a professional, finished look, ready for coloring. Finally, let's add some vibrant color and depth to our cartoon pizza. Start by applying your base colors, a golden brown for the crust, a warm yellow for the cheese, and appropriate colors for your chosen toppings. To create depth, use slightly darker shades in areas that would naturally be shadowed, and lighter shades for highlights. A few small, bright white spots can give the cheese and toppings a glossy, fresh out of the oven look. This brings your delicious cartoon pizza to life.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.